Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald William, will going to discuss about the concept of health and disease second, prevention and control of disease. Disease prevention covers measures not only to prevent the incident of disease such as risk factor reduction, but also inhibit its program and decrease its outcome once accepted. Disease control, the disease agent is permitted to persist in the community at a level where it stops to be a public health problem according to the tolerance of local circle. Prevention, it means planning for disease prevention and making efforts to prevent health problem and spread of disease. Intervention, it means controlling a disease during its development stage and taking action during an incident. Control, it means preventing and having safety measures to stop its spread. Eradication, it means completely elimination of disease from human population. Some important points for control and prevention of disease: avoid overcrowding, immunization of infant, keep animals and insects away from food, handle and prepare food carefully, wash hands before touching food items, stay home when sick, get vaccinated, avoid unnecessary contact with people who are sick, avoid alcohol and tobacco, cover your mouth while coughing, sneezing, eat a balanced diet, exercise to prevent high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes, maintain personal hygiene, regular and routine checkup, promote health awareness, prevention and control of communicable and non communicable diseases, early detection and prompt treatment and follow up, increase community awareness on health related matter to increase knowledge and skills of women health, community health, levels of prevention. Primary prevention. Primary prevention means to avoid the incident of disease or injury. Secondary prevention. Secondary prevention means to identify and properly treat a disease or injury process as early as possible before any symptoms are developed. Tertiary prevention. Tertiary prevention means to cure a disorder when it has advanced after its early stages to avoid complications associated with it. Social causes of diseases. Disease. Disease is a state or condition when there is a malfunctioning of body or mind. When the cause of a disease is a living organism, it is called as infectious disease, and symptoms associated with disease state may be physical, mental, or social. Social causes of disease: unemployment, social and culture change, various life events, stress condition, people, place in health, health behaviors like diet, smoking, drinking, and use of prohibited drugs. Social problem of the sick. Sick. The term sick may be defined as a person who is physically or mentally ill. The difficulties that sick and long term ill people are facing are divided into various categories, which include education problems, social relationship, employment issues, loss of independence, communication issues. Education problem: even making a huge amount of efforts, education development is still at low level, and there are various educational problems faced in the progress of education: lack of funds, expensive higher education, problem of brain drain, problem of primary education. Social relationship. Physically challenged people have many social problems and generally have small group, and it is mainly due to their disability or communication issues and mental health. Employment issues. There are many youth in India who are not getting the work. India is facing the problem in generating employment for the young population. The increase in population of India affects the employment. The chances are less as compared to the number of employees. So many people remain unemployed. The literacy rate is currently increasing, but the chances are not increasing accordingly. The crime rate is increased due to unemployment. The people who are not getting jobs follow wrong pathway to gain money, increasing the crime rate in India. Loss of independence. Physically challenged people have difficulties in self-care. The people who are paralyzed, their situation is worse. They lost their freedom, independence because they totally depend on others for regular activities like eating, bathing, dressing. They also fail to maintain the quality of life and not able to live with dignity. These people also depend on others financially. Communication issue. Communication problem is a major problem in social life. Mentally stressed or depressed people have difficulty in expressing, and due to this, other person find it hard to communicate with them. Thank you.